Sorry, reason tí a ṣe máa ń complain ní outside the country kò ju pé a ní opportunity bí weather tí ó wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ó yàtọ̀ sí weather tó wà ní Europe àbí ní America or ní Canada. Though opportunity pọ̀ ní bíbáyìí tó bá mọ ohun tó ń ṣe, but a lè compare sí ìran wa tí ó ti fẹ́ lọ sínú extinction nítorí àwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n ti wá fẹ́ máa gbalẹ̀ mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́. But ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ń béèrè pé báwo ni Fúlàní ṣe fẹ́ gbalẹ̀ mọ́ wa lọ́wọ́, nítorí pé àwọn tí wọ́n ń darí ètò ọrọ̀ ajé Nàìjíríà ọwọ́ Fúlàní ni ó wà. Ṣọwárí opportunity tó ń bẹ nílẹ̀ wa òun ni pé opportunity yẹn ó wà diminished because everybody ó ń sá kúrò ní Nàìjíríà. Ṣọwárí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń pariwo 2023 ìyàtọ̀ tó máa ń bẹ ni pé election tẹ́yìn rò pé wọ́n ń ṣe selection ni. Number one, 1999 constitution kò ní jẹ́ kí result jáde, so at the end of the day constitution yẹn ó wà fraudulent. Moreover, tí any political party bá débẹ̀ kò sí bó ṣe fẹ́ sort out the unity of Nigeria because already Nigeria is so much divided. Biafra fẹ́ lọ, Middle Belt fẹ́ lọ, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá náà sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ lọ àṣẹ Nàìjíríà mọ́, èyí tá a bá Nàìjíríà ṣe ó ti tó kólúkálukú máa lọ nílò ẹ̀. But ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ní ká stick together ká build Nàìjíríà. Sórí àwọn tí wọ́n build ìlú yìí àwọn ni wọ́n kó wa lẹ́rú tó ń pè ní Great Britain ní 1914 amalgamation. Ṣọwárí bí Britain tí wọ́n ń wò yìí, gbogbo ibi tó ń wò yìí, right, tó fi di Britain lénìí, àwọn náà já oríṣiríṣi ìjà tó fi di pé wọ́n dé stage yìí. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ níyẹn káwa náà máa ṣe díẹ̀díẹ̀. Ní tí mo sọ ni pé Nigeria of today can never work for the indigenous people, and that is why people like us are saying it is far much better now to dissolve Nigeria and let us have a separate country that is different from the one that we have presently, and we can build on that where we can have a real identity. But presently kò sẹ́ni tó ní real identity. There is nobody called Nigerian. It was fabricated by the British Empire in 1914. And when we go back to the history, we were a kingdom, the Yoruba kingdom and all other tribes' kingdom. But today, with over 300 ethnic groups merged together, there will be no peace in Nigeria. There will be no unity in Nigeria. There will be more chaos. So why do we want to suffer the humanity of indigenous people? Even àwọn tó wà ní northern part of Nigeria, everybody is complaining. Nigeria is currently at the verge of breakup. It does not matter how you feel. Nigeria will break and everybody will go their separate ways. My name is Olawumi Koiki and it is Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps.